Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great July, folks. Be impeccable with your word. Seek to know the truth. When you hear an opinion and believe it, you make an agreement. Because part of your belief system, the only thing that can break this agreement is to make a new one based on truth. Only the truth has the power to set you free. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 351, NASDAQ up 175, S&P's up 28, gold contract up $4.70, trading $17.94 an ounce. Silver up 27 cents, $18.59 an ounce. Light sweet crude flat, $40.64 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year right now down 3 ticks, 138.31. The 30-year off 9 ticks at 178 flat. Notes and bonds, folks. You know, you can have the market to the moon, and notes and bonds still want higher price, lower yield. And good old King Dollar. What do we have, King Dollar? Let me see this, baby. King Dollar's down from about 300 to 400 ticks today. That is giving it up on price. Yeah, we're down 406, trading 96,767. The euro's at 113. The yen is at 107.32, and the British pound's at 124 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on the S&P 500 and what we have happening out here. This is going to be so cool watching this thing shake out, folks. Why? Because bottom line, last night, Asian markets went to the moon. Europe markets were up good all day today. You had the DAX up 1.6%, the CAD up 1.4%, and you had the FTSE up 2%. We're running from S&P's up 1.2. The NASDAQ is the big monster, of course, up 1.7. The Dow's up 1.4. Now, that being said, the number that has been trying to hold all day long is 3157. We've got down to 3155 once. We just got down to 3555 again right before I come on the air, about a half hour before I come on the air. That's a crucial number because the bottom line, you break that number and then you are back into under the highs that were established out here last Thursday. So it's going to be kind of neat watching this whole thing shake out. NDX 100, you got a whole different animal happening here, man. This thing's not backing off. The equities aren't backing off inside it. You're up $177. You're at 10,533. Strength inside this NDX 100. Tesla, monster, up 10%. You get Xilinx up 6.5%. Baidu's up 6.5%. And you got Trip.com up 5.5%. Taken away from it, you have Dollar Tree. That's down 4.5%. Splunk is off 1.5. PayPal's 1.4. If we do go over to Tesla again and take a look at Tesla, this is just like hard to comprehend. We just went from $952 5 trading days, $948 5 trading days ago. You're at $329, and it looks like there's still a 10%, 10.27% short position. Bottom line is that that thing is just a monster, folks. Apple, we go take a look at Apple. What you're going to see with Apple, Apple's holding price also. Apple's over its highs. You have 22 million shares. It's anemic volume, no doubt about that. You're going into 53 million. You made it to 375. Right now, you're at 372. Amazon, here's another one, okay? Amazon right now, not giving you up at all. Amazon is at highs of the day, folks, okay? Well, it's off by $9. 3,040 is the high of the day. You're at 3,032. And guess what? You got... Well, Amazon's an ABC up. Yeah, look at this. Oh, my God. Okay, so let me do this one here. I didn't see this shake out, but this is an ABC up. You got to love it. Okay, so let's take a look. You got a B point out here, which was generated on the 24th. That is 27.96. Your A point is on the 12th. That's 25.03. It's already made this one. What did I say? Well, 1 second. It definitely made this one. 27.96. 27.96 minus 25.03. You got 293 A to B. Your C is at 26.30. That gives you 29.23. So bottom line, you're more than a 1-to-1 ABC structure on the way up, and guess what? You know, you can do a 1-to-1.5 like in about a heartbeat. Amazon, no doubt, is getting some action. Here, let me show you one here. This is kind of weird. CNVA. No, okay. I got to get this up. I just did a. There's a car company, a used car company that is also trading to the moon, and they lose so much money it's hard to comprehend. They take in $5 billion, but they're losing monster money also. In business a couple of years. I guess people are just going after it because it's digital. 30% short position, but just it's indicative of what this market is about right now. Some of the high volume equities out here. Oh, this is interesting. Workhorse was up this morning, now it's down. Let's take a look at this. So you got WKHS. This has been one of these high flyers. The low last 52 weeks is $1.30. The high is $22.90. Yeah, this gave it up in spades. Okay, so picture this. 3 weeks ago, the stock was at $2.96. Thursday, it was at $22.90. And this is giving it up, man. This could get really vicious. There's not big volume off the highs, but you go topside and something like this that fast. Bottom line, it's pretty easy to go south ASAP. Number-wise, they lose money hand over fist. They're going to take in $22 million this year. Now, they're claiming they're going to go from $22 million this year to $147 million next year. Well, they better really have something under their belt when we're talking those kinds of numbers, because those are monster numbers. There's no doubt about it. We're going to take a look at the Dow Industrials. Inside the Dow Industrials, strength versus the weakness inside the Dow. Apple is going to be right at the top of that move, no doubt. We got, let's see. So it's Goldman, Apple, Boeing, McDonald's. Big numbers. The only ones that are in the red, you got Home Depot putting 9 negative points, Walmart 6, Pfizer, fractional. Stay right there, folks. Come back with our man, Mr. Steve Rhodes. We are going to be talking markets. Dow Industrials right now up 352, NASDAQ up 191, S&P's up 30. We'll come right back.